Hi, my name is Bernard Kenneth C. Ramos, and my topic is Earth is flat. There are some people believes that the Earth is flat. Member of the Earth Flat Society claim to believe that the Earth is flat. Walking around on the Earth planet surface, it looks and feels flat. The image shows that the Earth is flat, and the Earth Society believes that the Earth is flat. I will show you some fact about Earth is round and not flat. If you type flat Earth into Google, you'd be joining to a group of people that helped a triple search term over the last couple of years. In fact, a recent YouGov poll found that only around two-thirds of Americans aged between 18 and 24 believe that the Earth is round. My counter-argument is while the Earth is flat, has all the Earth marks of being round when seen from the vantage purpose of room. It is reality more like an ellipsoid. Even an ellipsoid doesn't enough portray the Earth's special and ever-evolving shape. Our planet is food gear at the equator that the shafts by around 70,000 feet. This is because of a radiating power made by the world's consistent pivot, mountains rising right around 30,000 feet, and the sea channels plugging more than 36,000 feet. Further mutilate the state of the Earth. Ocean level itself sporadically form slight varieties in gravity field cause lasting slopes and valleys in the sea's surface of more than 300 feet comparative with an ellipsoid. Moreover, the state of the Earth is continually evolving. Once in a while, this change is intermittent, similar to the case with the day-by-day tides that they influence both the seas and the outside. Here and there the change is without rushing. Likewise with the float structural plates of the bounce back of the hull after weighty sheet of ice has liquefied. And at the time states of the planet change in vacuums, where these ways during functions, for example, quick volcanic emission or meteor strike. The National Geodetic Surveys measure that screens are ever-evolving planet. Geodesy is the study of estimate checking the size and the state of the Earth, including its gravity field and deciding the Earth focuses on the Earth's surface. As my next counter-argument continues, there are 70 ways to prove that the Earth is round. First is watch a ship sail off the sea. Without being in the sky, it is difficult to see the ebb and flow of the Earth. In any case, you can generally observe a shown of this on the off chance you can visit a harbor or on any spot with an all the way open perspective on the water. Second is watch a lunar eclipse. Sun-based crews get all the consideration, yet on the off chance that you can get brief look at a lunar obscuration, you can see proof that the Earth is, in reality, round. Here's the manner by which it works. Earth passes between the moon and sun, so the sun extends Earth's shadow onto the moon in the night sky. Third, climb a tree. Envision a huge plain in the yet one tree smack in the center. On one off chance that the Earth is were level, your vision would be broadened precisely as while remaining at the base of the tree as it would when at the head of the tree. Be that as may, the further you climb, the further your view will reach out to the skyline. Fourth is travel through, or even within, different time zones. In the function that you're not sufficiently high, however, you can even now encounter the shape of the Earth another way. For instance, if you somehow happen to fly right far and wide, you'd find that it would be evening time part of the world and daytime in another part. In that manner, The presence of time regions itself, verification that the Earth is round. Fifth is watch a sunset. Watch nightfall from point A, and once the sun is far out, rush on over to point B. With the additional rise given by point B, you ought to have the optional to see the sun over skyline. On the off chance that Earth were level, the sun will be not obviously at any height whenever it had set. Since the Earth is round, the sun will return into your view. Sixth is, measure the shadow across the country. On a level Earth, the shadow that is projected by each would be familiar length. In any case, on the off chance that you and your companion share any useful info, you'll see that one shadow was longer than the other. That is one grounds because of the arch of the Earth. The sun will hit one piece Earth and point one more piece on Earth at an alternate point even systematically of day. 7. And the last one is Google International Space Station photos. To summarize everything, that the Earth is 100% round and not flat. The Earth Society is wrong. They are believing without evidence. There are 70 ways to prove that the Earth is round. This is watch a ship sail up to sea, watch a lunar eclipse, climb a tree, travel through or even within different time zones, watch a sunset, measure shadow across the country, and Google Internet Space Station photos.